Hello! Today I am making Snickerdoodle cookies. In a bowl with a sifter, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I actually had to sift this because it didn't fit all of the flour. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a half teaspoon of salt. Sift this dry mixture. If there are clumps left over, you can press them through with your finger. Stir this mixture until combined. In a separate bowl, add 3/4 cup of shortening or butter. Blend with an electric mixture until creamy. Then take 1 cup of white sugar and gradually beat until combined. Add 1 large egg and a 1/4 cup of dark molasses, but I'm substituting with an 1/8 cup of brown sugar and an 1/8 cup of honey, and a small splash of water. Beat until light and fluffy. Now slowly add in the dry mixture into the butter mixture. This will prevent flour from flying out. Stir to thoroughly blend each time until a soft dough forms. At this point, you will need a spatula because it will become too hard to blend with a mixer. Don't forget to scrape the sides. Take a baking pan lined with parchment paper and a bowl of cinnamon sugar. Pinch off small amounts of dough and roll them with your hands into 1-inch diameter balls. Place the balls in cinnamon sugar and roll to coat, then place 2 inches apart on ungreased baking sheets. Make sure you coat the balls very well. Then take a mug or something with a flat surface and press the cookies down. They don't spread very much in the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, or until the tops are rounded and slightly cracked. Transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool. To be honest, these cookies even taste delicious straight out of the oven. They are very soft and pillowy, and the ginger gives it a very unique flavor. If you save these for later, I recommend microwaving it to make it soft and warm again.